Okay, guys, so I was told that there was a new upgraded version of the diagnostic app for the Thinkscan 689BT. So I got mine out just to see if that's the case. And it does look like there's a little window that pops up, as you can see, and it says new version tips. It's 1.0.8. It's got some information here. I'm going to do the update, but first I want to see what version mine is. I was told this version puts the voltage up in the upper right corner like a lot of people like, so I hope that's the case. If you come down here to settings, about device info, you can see right there software version 1.0.6 is the software version of this one. So I'm going to go back. Going to go back to this right here. I'm going to hit OK. This is the app, so we're going to let it do its thing. And then we'll see if we can see any changes. Okay, well, I think that's a change right there. Oh, look over here on the right. I see one change. I see these letters to where you can quickly scroll. Like if you wanted to go to Mercedes, you'd go to the M's, and then all the M series cars are right there. So that's a change I see. Clear diagnostic software, upgrade, stop, delete. I think there's a couple other buttons down here also, can't remember. But if you look right here, we've got, that's vehicle diagnostic software. That's maintenance software. That was there before, but I don't remember this application software. Okay. So now we've got that application. I'm going to hit other. Oh, it's got a screen record. Optimize screen recording and screenshot prompts. I definitely want to do that because I use that screen recorder all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Also, diagnostic base service, or diag. I'm going to do both these. All right, so we're back up and running. So let's go back to app. And it's saying latest version there. And that's all the latest versions. So the next question is it going to put the voltage up in the upper right corner? All right, guys, we're out here on the Jeep. And I'm going to go back. And we're just going to do a auto search. Key is on. Nice little graphical display. Jeep is a Chrysler product. (16-pin connector), auto search. Now, okay, so I just noticed that the voltage is in the upper right corner, like a lot of people like. That's a good thing. I mean, I like it too, because it helps you keep track of what the voltage is in the car. If you've just got the key on and the engine is off, and you're sitting here doing a scan, especially if you work on multiple people's cars, you don't know what kind of condition the battery is in. And the next thing you know, you're trying to start the vehicle and the battery's dead. And now that we have a voltage reading up in the upper right corner, we'll be able to keep track of that voltage. So that is a good thing. So anyway, just wanted to show that to see if that was true or not. So the latest update for the Thinkscan 689BT does give you the voltage in the upper right corner. So a lot of people was actually questioning that. I got comments from quite a few people saying that they did not like the fact that it did not give the voltage. Well, now it does. So we're good to go. Anyway, we're done. You guys take care. We'll see you.